1, 2, 3, 4.
These international luxury brands lead the way in the world of fashion. But who is taking care of their products here in Asia? Introducing STYLUX, Asia's leading leather specialist. As soon as your product arrives at STYLUX, it straight away receives the most sophisticated care from our professional team of craftsmen. Our specialists carry out a detailed inspection of every single order and recommend the best possible solutions. STYLUX not only excels in terms of traditional craftsmanship, but also applies state-of-the-art technology to monitor the repair and maintenance procedures. The Smart Shop System mobile app allows the shop manager and brand director to constantly monitor every order's progress in real time. As it proceeds through the cleaning, repairing, polishing and colouring processes. Last but not least, all this beautiful craftsmanship is treated with an invisible but essential protective waterproofing layer. Before the product is allowed to be returned to the client, it is subject to the most painstaking and stringent inspection by our quality control professionals. This database also serves as a detailed inventory of recorded defects, an invaluable resource for the brand director's ongoing defect management plans. In addition to tracking the repair and maintenance processes, the Smart Shop system audits every single individual component supplied by our clients. STYLUX provide training in leather care to shop managers, boosting their knowledge and sales expertise, thereby adding value to our clients' brands. With STYLUX, your product is in the hands of the most professional team available. What else could you ask for? STYLUX, your leather specialist.